10 Tips for Creating a Convincing LinkedIn Company Page for Your Business. In this article, we will talk about how to create my LinkedIn company page and how to effectively use it for my business. Have you ever stopped asking yourself if your brand is making the most out of LinkedIn since you started? After doing the self-assessment and your answer is no, then something has to be done as a matter of urgency to turn the table around. Maybe you are yet to realize that your company page can serve as a valuable channel to engage and communicate with your prospects. Do you also know that new features are frequently being released, which can be a useful tool in your company's social media marketing? If you are not aware of these, worry less because, in this article, we will be sharing easy and practical ways that you can optimize your LinkedIn company pages for business. These tips are guaranteed to improve your presence, authority, and recruitment process. Step 1: Your profile image and banner needs an update. Creating a good first impression should be the #1 priority on your list. The reason is that your profile image is the first thing people will see when they search for your company on LinkedIn. According to research, company pages with impressive profile pictures are likely to attract up to 6 times more visitors than those without a good one. So, make the most out of this and ensure yours is up to standard. To choose a profile image is easy and straightforward. What you need to do is to take your company logo and resize it to meet the standard. Since it is a company page, ensure the logo you are using is the same as others on your social media platforms. LinkedIn's ideal profile image sizes requirements: 300 x 300 pixels PNG format, maximum 8 MB square layout. LinkedIn profile banner sizes and recommendations. Your profile banner is located above your company logo, and it gives you more room for creativity. The ideal LinkedIn banner specs are as follows: 1536 x 768 pixels PNG format, maximum 8 MB rectangular layout. The choice of how your banner should hang is up to you. You have the choice between 2 types of company profile banners, Sephora and Air Canada, and here is why they are successful. Sephora banner. The Sephora banner is simple, sleek, and stylish. And a simple graphic added to it can tremendously increase its LinkedIn template value. It displays a clean and appealing black and white stripe that represents most companies' aspect of branding. This banner effect is both experienced in the digital world and outlets. Air Canada banner. The Air Canada banner takes a different and more actionable approach than the Sephora banner. It was advertised in the 2018 Seoul Winter Olympics. It has bilingual hashtags that are used for social media campaigns. It equally represents the Canadian colors that aid in driving social engagements wherever it is used. Step 2: Build your company career page. According to a study by Glassdoor, over 69% of job seekers submit applications to companies that strive to promote their culture on the internet. By using LinkedIn's career page, you can boost your company's recruitment efforts. LinkedIn's career page is located under the Life tab. It also has customizable features that allow you to display high-quality images, articles, and videos concerning your company's day-to-day activities. While putting this into practice, endeavor to include a URL in each post. Reports say these links will help you get up to 45% engagement on every post you make. Step 3: Ensure your profile information is authentic. You should note that the content on your company page is searchable on the platform. Also, your company's listing can be found within and outside the LinkedIn platform. And it is as a result of the terms that you use. Having this at the back of your mind, you need to ensure that the details you provide are not only accurate but up to date. Step 4: Personalize your company's URL LinkedIn page. There is a standard LinkedIn URL that is issued to all company pages and profiles. But you can modify both links to suit whatever purpose you have in mind. It will undoubtedly spice up your LinkedIn presence. Before you modify your URL, you must bear in mind that there are a few LinkedIn policies. In case you decide to change your public URL, point one of them is that you can only change your URL once in 30 days. Step 5. Make every word in your headline count. Your page headline is displayed under your company name, and it is vital in communicating your brand message. To grab your readers' attention and make them glued to the page, make sure your headline is catchy, appealing, and easy to understand. You have just 120 characters to express this, so be creative when crafting your personal or company headline. After choosing your desired headline, test its appearance on your mobile phone to ensure it looks the way you planned it to be. You need to consider your LinkedIn company page as a central avenue that people can get to know more about what your brand does, so take your time when drafting a headline. Another reason to apply caution when doing this is that most people on the web may find your LinkedIn page when researching your brand via Google. So, with this in mind, you will need to create both an overview and an accompanying page content that compellingly tells your brand story. Also, note that the first few lines of your company's outlook are the content that will be viewed across all devices. You should also include relevant keywords to increase your page's search visibility. Step 6. Appeal the market with your showcase pages. Once your company page is set, create a showcase page to highlight different versions of your company or brand culture. You can also use the showcase page to create content on a single topic, a learning center, highlights your team's accomplishments, or even promote your newest product. The showcase page is one niche that will make your brand more discoverable to your target audience. Step 7. Join or create a group. Both individuals and companies can use groups on the LinkedIn platform as an engagement tool. How this works when you join a group is that you will become visible to others. Doing this will help you bypass LinkedIn's limitations on viewing people outside your network. If you have already created a group for your business, you can use the featured groups section of your brand profile to let people know where to connect with you. You can also use LinkedIn's recent lineup features to follow topic-based communities on the channel. It will be valuable to your brand as each business can select up to 3 communities with relevant hashtags. By selecting communities to follow, your company can view and comment on other updates that are similar to the hashtag. You will equally get notifications from LinkedIn whenever a topic trends in your community. You can join if it pleases you. Step 8. Constantly look out for new features. Those who have been on the LinkedIn channel can testify how often features are being added for better engagement. And in the past few months, the rate has skyrocketed. Because of how fast some of these features come and go, you have to always be on the lookout. One of them that was short-lived came out early last year. And this feature allowed admins of various company pages to their audience page by inviting personal connections to back their LinkedIn company page. It is rather unfortunate that this feature went in a flash, but you need to keep your eyes open for such features. Step 9. Keep your eyes on the price. From time to time, LinkedIn publishes a list of 10 best company pages. Study each of them and try to figure out how they were optimized, mainly if you compete with them. It will help you make the necessary changes to your profile. Step 10. Endorsements are important. Are you aware that over 1 billion peer-to-peer endorsements have been given on the LinkedIn channel? Consider the Endorse Skills feature as one of the most influential and controversial forms of social proof. Gather recommendations whenever the opportunity arises, and never be shy to request them. Most times, it benefits both parties. People you can ask include your employees on LinkedIn. Encourage your employees to connect with your company profile if they have not. The moment you two bond with each other, write a good recommendation from your page. Your employees will then receive notifications of your work anniversaries, job opportunities, and other crucial updates that concern your business. Your business associates. Some of the most valuable endorsements you will receive will come from your B2B interactions. Anytime you have a positive interaction with another brand or company, reach out to them and request a connection and recommendation. Tell them you will offer one in return. Ask your customers. Brands like yours can gather recommendations by directly engaging with your customers and followers. If you received a comment on an article you shared on the company page, use it to create a dialogue and gain an endorsement. CONCLUSION. Your LinkedIn company page is the perfect opportunity to launch your campaigns and gain engagements. And with your brand page fully optimized, you will be ready to publish updates, comment and follow other people's posts, and equally get an analysis of your invested efforts. P.S. If you also are interested in how to scale your LinkedIn marketing through, then you should necessarily give a look at this LinkedIn automation tool.